Now that you've completed Module 5 and 6, let's take a look at some of the key ideas from both modules. Module 5 involved an actual lesson and looking at the individual teacher moves throughout the lesson to promote problem-based learning and student discourse. So let's take a look at some of the key press pause moments that were noted throughout the lesson. A timer is crucial when teaching this curriculum. When the instructor used the notice and wonder routine, the teacher added no judgment and did not answer the wonderings that were brought up by the student. The teacher provided tools but did not show how to use the tools, and also pointed out the use of a tool for measuring that wasn't a traditional measuring tool. When recording student responses, we heard the teacher say, "I heard you say," or "let me know if you did it differently," in trying to capture what the student's words were and what the intentionality of their words were. There was no front loading of vocabulary, but rather monitored by listening for certain words. And there was strategic monitoring throughout all of the activities, whether it was when the instructor was trying to record specific responses that she wanted to share out, or just in words that came up, or were students actually on the right track, and did they need just a little bit of guidance bringing them back to the focus of the activities. Sentence structures were provided to help promote discussion. The vocabulary was recorded and revised as it came up throughout the lesson activities. And two key takeaways from this lesson was the goal was not that everyone finished an activity. The goal was the big ideas of the math, and that goes back to what are the learning targets. And as we're continuing with our promoting problem-based learning and student discourse, we want to keep this question in mind. Is the goal to get the answer, or is the goal to learn the content? And let's think about how that shifts both teacher moves and what the students are doing within the classroom. As we moved into Module 6, focus was on diverse learners. Diverse learners is an inclusive term that encompasses the wide variety of student learning needs. Diverse learners have diverse needs. Teachers' expectations and beliefs about students matter. The embedded MLRs, or math language routines, and responsive strategies support language development for all students, especially our MLs. Responsive strategies provide support for various areas of cognitive functioning at the activity level. The Are You Ready for More provides opportunities to go deeper for students who are ready for the challenge. Hopefully you had the chance to explore where you see each of these pieces show up within the lesson in the teacher materials.